Is Uber flooding the market? We're gonna take a look at this new video today and potentially new proof that Uber is flooding the market. So please thumbs up the video. And before I get started, I wanna tell you all about Current. Current is a new mobile banking app that's paying Uber and Lyft drivers up to 2 days faster, and gig workers. So if you drive for any food delivery platform as well, you can earn 4% APY on your savings and no fees on overdraft up to 200 bucks if you go negative. So really awesome. Save that money. Check out Current using the link below, and they even do cash back on gas. So just check it out. It's free to sign up. They'll give you a free debit card. Yeah, I have it right here on my phone. I even put in $100 deposit just to make sure it's all working. And they're starting to pay me APY. I got 35 cents so far. So check out Current down below, and now let's get started, my friends. So this video comes from the Rideshare Guy. I love the Rideshare Guy. He's my go-to.
Yeah, and that brings up the next whole point is, you know, the flooding the market.
Yeah. I think this is going to be a problem, guys. Either way, this is going to be a problem, okay? So this is LA, last week, last Friday, last Sunday, everywhere I went, okay? This is from my passenger app, by the way, and that's my little pin over there.
So he's doing the 2-phone Uber trick. He's got his passenger app and the driver app to make sure that Uber ain't flooding the market.
On the left screenshot, what's the point of me turning my app on? Look at all those cars. That's like a mile radius over there. I'm like, holy crap, we're back to 2019.
Well, this is a very busy market though, so there's a lot of passengers as well, especially if you're doing like day trips. People are out partying all day long in LA. I mean, 8 drivers ain't gonna do much, but that's just my opinion.
Cars, by the way, it's always 8. You people know that, right? I think it's Uber's lucky number or whatever.
Which, by the way, I counted, bro. And on the left screen, there's only 7 cars there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's not 8 on that one. Ha! Gotcha.
Always 8 on the passenger app.
Exposed. Rideshare Guy exposed.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the right one. Look at the left one. It's always 8.
Nope. It's only 7 on the left one.
Garbage. Now, this may be, the reason for this may be that they had offered $9 boost from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So everybody and their uncle was out there trying to get that $9.
Everyone and their uncle.
This may have been the reason. For 4 hours, Uber said, we're going to lose money, but half of your suckers are going to hang on, and then we're going to make the money after that. Because I did 7 rides with this Friday morning. I made 52 bucks an hour. You know,
52 bucks an hour? Dang, this guy's killing it. This guy's an Uber millionaire.
But my utilization...
Really quick, if you're doing 52 bucks an hour and you're driving Uber 80 hours a week, you're making $4,000 a week, bro. Times 52 weeks? But this guy's making 200 grand a year. What the heck? This guy's a millionaire.
Like 68%. So I was online 4 hours and I was active for 3 hours. So before, when I drove, it would be basically every single minute I have a passenger. Just
messing with you guys, okay? These guys are cool. Check them out.
In the car, or I'm on the way to picking somebody up. I made 7 from music. There you go, Rideshare King. Okay, you're another one we're gonna meet. Okay, LA. You know what? I think we're gonna make an LA meetup with these. We Zoom, Rideshare King. Bro, we'll have it. Here we go.
Harry, if you're still watching, sounds like I gotta head out to the LA now.
Where's my invite? Hey, I live in LA too, guys.
We can do a New York City one too.
Oh yeah, we'll come out to Buffalo to freeze our asses. That's not happening.
Oh, it's nice now.
Okay, 9 boost is worth it, definitely worth it. But you and your uncle and everybody.
Yeah, it's not freezing in the summertime.
Everybody else, you know, was out there, bro. Okay, so here's the deal. This is a perfect illustration of what Uber's idea is. Okay, so I go, okay, this is from last Friday. No, what is today? Oh shit, this is yesterday. This is yesterday. I apologize, everybody. Okay,
it's okay. It's okay. We forgive you.
In the middle screenshot, do you see all that? You know, the zone, the Uber calls it the hot zone.
Yes.
96% of the rides exist.
yes.
Now that's it's called a Boost Zone. Boost Plus. It's a new Boost Plus. It's a new detergent that Uber is trying out.
Detergent, like laundry detergent?
This is, look at my screenshot time, 6:49 a.m. right about when the surge is kicking in, everybody's going to school and work. Guess what? They put the $9 boost in that zone for 4 hours.
Awesome.
There were so many damn drivers in that area. But what did happen, though? Look at outside that zone. San Fernando Valley, where I live, bleeding red. South, bleeding red. East, bleeding red. Right in the middle, nothing.
Huh.
So Uber says, I put this boost on. I get all the ants in here.
The ants.
I have no problems with pickup ETAs. I'm like, I understand, Uber. But what's happening outside the zone? So from now on, this is my strategy. Here, I'm giving it a tip. Usually I'm charging for this. If you have a boost zone like that in the middle, stay where you're at, because it's going to bleed where you're at. Because
this guy's saying that if Uber tells you to go in a certain area, to drive the opposite way. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I would take this guy's advice. So basically do the opposite of what Uber's telling you to do. I don't know. He's saying avoid the boosts. I gotta get this guy on the channel.
All the cars next to it. You see all those cars are right there in that.
And he charges for this information? What the heck? He's charging to tell drivers to drive the other way.
Little small section.
Yeah.
And then I can only imagine the amount of cars that are in all around too.
Keep in mind, this guy is making close to $216,000 a year. So he probably does know what he's talking about a bit.
You know, a lot of cars. So look, I have a bad feeling about what's about to happen. I'm not trying to be negative. I think the party is going to be over pretty soon. Because if the economy is going to slow down, which the stock market is 100% saying that the economy is going to slow down, that's the only.
Is this an old video? Because we're in a recession right now. June 15th. This must be an old interview. Because I don't think it's a party right now. I mean, gas prices are $7 a gallon in LA.
But create supply, because everybody is going to go to rideshare driving to make some money. If they get laid off, just like 2010, right? So to me, Uber will end its supply problems, but Uber's bigger problem is going to be their demand is going to go down, because who the heck is going to order a $25 burrito?
True.
$30 3-mile bar hop, right? Demand is also going to go down. So
True.
I feel like there is pain coming up for both sides. I'm hoping the economy doesn't slow down, the party continues, for everybody's sake. Okay? That's the only bad thing. That's the only bad thing I see in my crystal ball. But other than that, let's move on.
You know,
Rideshare driver says
think,
wrong. What's wrong,
I think, I got to interject and say, I think for certain people, certain places, I think, yeah, it's going to have a little bit of an issue where it's going to be a slowdown. I mean, the other thing, too, is you got the summer where, you know, many areas are going to slow down. Colleges are done if you're in a college town, so it's going to slow down. So, you know, it might be one of those things if you're a seasonal driver or cyclical, this could be a time where you look at something else, at least for the time being, and then come back when it gets busier, or, you know, just implementing correct strategies. But the other thing, too, is even though, you know, the whole economy might go in the tanker, and looks like it is, people are still going to want to go out to the bar. People are still going to want to get out and have some. Because
people need to escape. The whole reason why they're, you know, in a recession in the first place. That's why movies were invented.
Fun. So if you position yourselves correctly.
These guys are awesome. Chris, Sergio, I don't mean any harm by my jokes. I'm just, anyways. I mean, I think it's pretty good, what they have to say. And I do commend Sergio for thinking outside the box with, you know, avoiding the surge. I mean, yeah, I mean, you could see it right here. Like, he's right. The red zones are outside of where the boost is. Why that is, I don't know. So, maybe Sergio's right. Check out their channel. Let me know your thoughts. Do you agree with Sergio, Chris? And do you think Uber is flooding the market? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. And check out Current with the link in the description box. Again, to start earning 4% APY, get paid up to 2 days faster, set up direct deposit, free overdraft up to $200. Talk to you guys soon. Bye now.